down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah.
Hi guys, it's Trish. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you guys are doing well. In this video, I will show you how to do a 2D figure of gear drawing in preparation for 3D design. Just a reminder, make sure that every corner of your drawing is really connected. So to start, we need first to change or convert our units to double the measurement in inches for us to gratify the scale of 2:1. To proceed, command circle or click here, center diameter, then specify center diameter 6.24, then enter. Next circle, center diameter with a diameter of 5.2, then enter. After that, we have to command offset and then specify the offset diameter 0.25, then offset the inside circle. Then command circle or click circle here, then center diameter. From the starting point, measure diameter of 1.5. And then we have to command offset 0.25 diameter, and we have to offset this circle. After that, escape. We have to command line or click here, then starting from the center with a length of 1.8 upward, then from the center again with a length of 1.8 to the left and right, and also downward. After that, you have to command line again, and then starting from the center, measure a 45 degree with a length of 1.8. Then to other side, measure 1.8 with a 1.35 degree. Then downward 45 degrees. Downward to the left 1.8 distance and 135 degrees. After that, we have to command circle center diameter, and we have to put a circle at the end point of the line, the diameter of with the diameter of 0.75. Then repeat putting a circle to the end points of those lines. Okay, then so after putting those small circles at the end point of the line, we have to command offset. Then we have to offset of 0.25 in this area of a circle. Then now we can delete or remove or simply erase the unnecessary. So after removing the unnecessary lines, we have to move this 6.4 diameter circle to this side. So we have to command line. Starting from this point, we have to measure or put a length of 0.25 downward, then to the right, 0.25 again. And then to the other side, to the left, we have to make a 0.25 length. After that, we have to command line again, then starting from the end point of the line that you have made, we have to drag it upward with a length of 0.25, and also to the other side 0.25 length as well. After putting that lines, you can now trim the excess or unwanted lines. So to trim, select, then type trim, then trim the excess lines. So to continue, we have to command line again, then make a line from the midpoint of this circle. After putting that line, we have to select that circle, and then trim the unnecessary lines. So now that we have a 1/4, we have to select that, and then we have to rotate it 45 degrees. After rotating it, we have to command line. So click here, then starting from the midpoint of this quarter, we have to drag the line downward with a measurement of 0.2. Then line starting from this end point to the right, we have a distance of 1. And to the other side, which is to the left, with a distance of 1. Then we have to command line again. And then we have to command line again or click here. Then from the end point, we have to measure a degree of 60. And then to the other side, we have to measure a degree of 120. So after fixing the line, we can now select that figure and trim the unnecessary lines. Then we have to select this 1/4, then we have to array. So we have to array it in a total number of items 28. Then that's it. We have the figure and we have to erase the unnecessary lines. So we have to select that figure, then we will move it in here. So after putting back the circle, now we have completely made the gear drawing. So the next thing that we have to do is put its dimension. So command dim style and then modify the lines. You have to choose what color you want. I have chosen magenta. And then to the text height if you want to change, the feet, the primary units. The primary units, I put it in decimal, then set current, then close. After that, click linear, then starting from this point to the center of the circle, drag it to the right so that we can have its dimension. So to this side, linear again, but drag it to the left for its dimension. So in this part, we have to command a ledger to get that arrow like. Then after putting all those arrows, you can simply click to the multi-line text, then choose a diameter and then put the dimensions of those parts, and then that's it. So after we put all the dimensions, now we are done with the given figure, the gear drawing. So that's how you made it. Thank you for watching. Bye.